the fascinating world of fossils. Today, we'll explore the evidence of ancient life forms that once thrived on our planet.
Fossils are the remains of ancient species that have been preserved, or evidence of their remains. Fossils are not the actual remains of the organism. They are formed from sedimentary rocks. Hard part of the organisms are the usual subjects for fossilization, like the bone, the shell, and the tree trunk.
There are various types of fossils, including body fossils, trunk fossils, and barrel fossils. Each type provides unique insights to the life of ancient organisms.
There are 5 types of fossils, including mold fossils, fossil casts, petrified fossils, carbonifers, and trace fossils.
Fossils offer evidences of evolution, extinction, and environmental changes. They help us understand the diversity of life on Earth and how it changed over time.
Mold fossil. When sediments fill in the remains of a dead organism and later on solidify, these become a fossil. Over time, the remains of the organism do not persist, leaving a hollow imprint on the sedimentary rock. This is called a mold fossil. Fossil cast. Fossil cast is the opposite side of mold fossil. Cast preserves a three-dimensional impression of remains buried in sediment. Fossil casts are found when sediments fill up an underground fossil mold to make a fossil in the shape of the organism's form. Stratified fossils are fun to look at since you get to see the actual shape or form of the organism's body parts. Carbon film. A carbon film, also known as a carbonaceous film, is the outline of an organism that has been preserved as a fossil. Carbon films are the imprints of an organism that were crushed under a lot of pressure and left a perfect outline on the surface. Trace fossil. Trace fossils are the traces of previous life forms. These can be day-to-day activities that are preserved and fossilized. Trace fossils are formed when an organism leaves traces from doing daily activities like running, burrowing, or walking. These traces then leave imprints and later on become fossils.
Hey! Don't you know that fossils are essential for understanding Earth's history, reconstructing ancient ecosystem, and performing conservation efforts? They also provide valuable information for fields like paleontology, geology, and biology. In conclusion, fossils are a treasure trove of information about our planet's past. By studying fossils, we can gain a deeper understanding of the history of life on Earth and appreciate complexity and diversity of our planet's ecosystem. Thank you for joining us in this journey to the world of fossils. We hope you've learned something new and fascinating about the evidence of ancient life forms.